Today I'm really excited to show you what is in this box. Let's check it out. Is the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max, and here is the color 1 terabyte. That's the one we choose. I pre-ordered this iPhone 16 Pro Max 10 years ago just to show you and do the unboxing in front of you guys today. Let's just unwrap this beast and see what's inside. All right, let's hope we get a charger so we can enjoy those hours of video on this new phone. I think I forgot to do something on the tab here too. I'm failing at this unboxing. Don't blame me. I'm new at this. All right, let's crack this open. All right, it's just a regular little tiny box. And here is the phone. This is what we pay $1,600 for. This beautiful phone. We really need it. Without this phone, probably I wouldn't be alive today. But anyways, let's just keep going with this unboxing. We got the phone itself, and we got a Type-C to Type-C, I believe, charging cord. Yeah, Type-C to Type-C charging cord. Now, let's look for our charger inside here. Our wall plug. Okay, no wall plug. Okay, not a problem. We're gonna get our earphones. At least we can listen music. Okay, it's no earphone either. All right. This unboxing is gonna be quick, I guess. All right, we got this little manual. Let's unwrap it. It's very exciting. Let's get our Apple stickers that we always get. No Apple stickers. Okay, we don't need it. All right. Now we get this saying that we no longer need a physical SIM card. We don't need earphones. We don't need wall plug, and now we don't need SIM card. That is awesome. A lot of things to not worry about it, and at least we got our iPhone 16 Pro Max, and that if I don't break it. Let's just unwrap that fancy white cover and let's turn this beast on. Does it come with charge? I thought it was not gonna have any charge on it, but hey, I'm getting good at this. This phone has charge. Okay, some new features from a predecessor. We have a button right here, which is supposed to control the cameras, and we are welcome with a hello message. Okay, that's how the iPhone 16 looks. We have the 3 huge cameras on the back, and this is the reason the people were upgrading this year, because the camera probably gets better and better with the years coming in. One take is I love this color, to be honest. It was worth to wait 10 years to get to this phone. Maybe not so much. We got the Type-C charging port, which we already had it for this iPhone 15, and now we continue with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We had no earphone jack, just as promised, I guess. No earphone jack. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons now. Okay, that's how our iPhone 16 Pro Max looks, just out of the box. Nothing else, nothing more. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. It was a quick video for the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In the next video, I might show you some of the footage I want to take with this device, and let's see, is it worth it? $1,600. Yes, that is the right amount. $1,600. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments down below what else you wanna see unbox. This was so exciting. See you. Bye now.